architecture is to combine the model of the learning and data generation and policy of learning and iterative process. Then the agent to learn the model of the environment can use into the generate the synthetic experience of the training. Okay, for the example, Sudan Dyna algorithm to alterate between the update the model and refining with the policy based on are both real and simulated experience. Then sampling based uh, planning is the to involve the generating the candidate action sequence through the sampling and evaluating the learned method. Okay, that technique is to like the to random shooting or cross the entropy to method to help the refine the action in the selections. Then analytic gradient computation is the it is the leverage assumption of the reinforcement learning. That means to the dynamic compute the guardians is the analytically facilitating and optimal control the solution. For the examples of linear quadratic regulator. Then value equivalence prediction is the technique to predict the functions using the model to improve the allowing the better generalization and then improve the privacy and then improve the policy updates. Okay, then meta reinforcement learning is the to approach the focus on the how to learn, then but which means that then how to learn to where the agent to adapt the strategies based on the previous experience across the different tasks. Okay, the next one is the model based learning with the model predictive learning. Okay, it is the implement to random shooting method. Okay, then it is basic from the model predictive control to control it to the auto optimize the action with model to the reinforcement learning. There are the it is the consist of the 5 elements of this process. The first one is the dynamic model, second one is planning with random shooting and third one is the replay buffer and main loop, then final one is the model training. Okay, then what is the dynamic model? In the model predictive learning, then the dynamic model is the neural network. Then neural network, that means the two hidden layers are the RLU activation, that means to predict the next state based on the current state and actions. Then planning with the random shooting is the agent sample the multiple action sequence to simulate their outcomes over a shoot the horizons and to select based on the total rewards. Then replay buffer is to the storage experience, that means the state actions and next state for training the model using past interactions. Then main loop is the plan the best actions using in the dynamic model. Okay, in this model to action is the executed the experience in stored into the replay the buffer. The model is the periodically trained using the random batches from the buffer and then the process to repeats the until the episode of the termination. Then model training is it is the mean square error. That means the predict the actual of the next series. The mean square error is that to model the minimize the predict and the actual of the next states. Then next one is the advantages of the model based learning. Then the advantages is the simple efficiency, better generalization, and long term planning. Then challenges is to the model based reinforcement learning is it is the model accuracy, then computationally complexity and exploration versus the exploitation of delinea. Thank you.